Here we go. Here's the first. Here's the first one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What is that? What's coming to see you? Careful of the cake. Oh, what is it? What is it? I can't see her face. Oh, look at that smile.
Here, back her up a little bit, Mia, so she doesn't further.
Do you like it?
The cake.
Make it dance. Dance, boy, dance!
Oh, look at that smile.
That's my favorite thing.
Okay.
Oh, next one.
Here's another one.
Whoa,
You
here
want
we
to look in
go.
the bag?
Rowan, you want to look in the
You should
bag?
be good at pulling the... Here, set that over there,
What
son.
about Christian? Christian's here.
What's in there?
You wanna
What's
look
in there?
What's in here, look?
This little bag.
What's in there? Take a look. Take a look.
Oh, look. Look what Christian got you.
Look at that.
Oh, he's so cute.
Look at the puppy.
I didn't want to tell you.
Look, your own
Look at that.
Look. Look at the puppy.
Look.
Your own puppy.
Look. See, I'd rather have the bag, Daddy. Because that's just how I am at this age.
Mia, so I can put it over here with the owl. What present is this?
I have no idea.
It's from us. What have you got now?
Here you go.
Oh,
I think she's getting the hang of it.
she's like, oh, another bag.
What's in that?
Oh, don't eat the bag. Don't eat the bag. Oh, look at that. What is that? What is it?
It's a
Wow.
Puppy.
It's a puppy instrument. That
Push the button for her so she can hear it.
Push his nose.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name.
Shut up.
Bingo
Oh,
was
wait.
his name.
Oh. Do you see that? She's trying to push his nose.
She's trying to push the buttons too. That was quick.
Look at that.
Oh.
Oh, did you see that? Pushed it by accident. Wait a minute. What was that?
Oh, see, she's... Push it.
Go ahead and push it.
Push.
Look at that.
Okay. Give her this, the other one.
Okay, Christian.